मैं तो फैन हो गया है नी कुड़िए तेरी गल्ला दा मैं तो फैन हो गया है नी कुड़िए तेरी गल्ला दा कब कहेगी आके हाय वेट हुण करया नहीं जांदा.
Next will be chords. What are chords? First of all, what are chords? Chords are basically combination of three or more notes. So if you play three notes together, that will be chords. So for example, if you play first, third and fifth, that will be a major scale, major chord. That will be, if the first note is C, then it will be major, C major. So basically chords are, in simple words, three or more notes played together make a chord. Today we will focus on minor scale. So minor scale, again, first, third and fifth note, that will be C. As I said, that will be D sharp and then G. This will be C minor. Now we will pick three chords which will cover whole minor scale, so that whatever tune you are composing, whatever notes you are playing, there is a chord for that note. So first chord we will take C minor, then we will take A sharp major, then we will take G sharp major. There might be a major chord in a minor scale and there might be a minor chord in a major scale. It is not necessary that all minor scale will have minor chords and all major scale will have major chords. So why I picked these three chords, as I said, because whatever note you play, that note will be covered in that chord. And there are many hit songs and many hit tunes which are on minor scale, so that's why we will focus on minor scale. So basically this is minor scale, ta 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 ta, and these will be three chords we will be focusing, just as simple as that, only three chords. Bum, bum, bum. These are three chords. So what will happen if whatever composition you do or whatever notes you hit, there will be chord for that. For example, if your composition has C note, so you can play this chord, C minor. If it has D note, you can play this chord. If you have D sharp, you can play C minor also and you can play A sharp also. So for all 7 notes, we can use these 3 chords and we can complete our composition. Any chord, very basic chords, will always have first, third and fifth note. So first is C, we remove second note, then we touch third note, then we remove fourth note, and then we go for fifth note. So that will be one chord, that will be C minor. Same way, since it's a minor scale, we touch upon A sharp. So again, first note A sharp, then we remove C, then we use D, then we remove fourth note D sharp, and then we use F. So that will be A sharp major. And then same way, one note lesser, that will be G sharp, then we remove next note, then the third note will be C, then we remove D, and then the fifth note will be D sharp. So that will be D sharp. Now there is a reason why I have talked about only these 3 chords. These are 3 very basic chords. Using these chords, you can create any composition in the minor scale because all the notes are covered in these 3 chords. For example, O Saki Saki. So see, there might be many chords which you can play. For example, I'll just give you a demonstration. That will be O Saki Saki Re Saki Saki, आपस रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी. ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी, आपस रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी. So now what I have done, I have used C, then I have used A sharp, I have used G sharp, I have used F minor, I have used D sharp, I have used so many chords. But we don't need to use it. We don't need to use so many chords. If you want to sing same song using only these 3 chords, you can do that also. So, O Saki Saki Re की साकी, आपस आ रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी. Because whatever chords you are using, whatever singing, whatever tune you are singing, these three chords will cover whole scale. That is the reason we have taken these three chords. Now, why chords are important? Whenever you are composing anything, and maybe you are playing a guitar or you are playing a piano. So if you are singing the O Saki Saki Re, and you are just playing exactly same thing, O Saki Saki Re Saki Saki, it won't sound that good. If you have a backing of chords, it will sound better. O Saki Saki Re Saki Saki. And the thing is that if you are playing exactly the same chord, exactly the same tune, it will get clashed with your tune. So you need to have a backing of chords. That is the reason you should learn about the chords. And these are very basic chords. It's a first chord C, then A sharp, C minor, then A sharp, and then G sharp, and it will cover your whole minor scale. So C minor chord will be C, D sharp, and G. A sharp major, that will be A sharp, D, and F. And G sharp major, G sharp will be G sharp, C, and D sharp. If you just write down all these chords and all these notes, you will find out that every note from this minor scale will be covered in either of one of the chords. So now, since you have learned about these chords and you have learned about the scale also, so basic आपका पूरा clear हो गया है कि scale क्या होता है और chord क्या होता है. अब बस एक चीज़ बचती है composition करना. So वो हम next session में सीखेंगे.